Hey, it's Gina with WTI. I don't know about you, but something that drives me absolutely bonkers is having fruit flies. They're constantly swarming around, flying into my face, getting into food, and just generally annoying me. So I have really come to love having these TERRO fruit fly traps because in the past I would just put out cups of water with vinegar and try to catch them, and it just was so messy and irritating. These come in a 4-pack. It does smell quite vinegary, especially when you're close up to the little traps, but it definitely does its job. And one of the most satisfying things is seeing their little corpses floating around in the liquid. I love that these are really cute. They just look like little pieces of fruit, and they're not an eyesore like having the cups of water with vinegar lying around like I would normally do. And it just looks really adorable on the counter. And of course, it's doing its job getting all the fruit flies. The other thing that's a huge improvement to my glasses of vinegar is that these are good for up to 180 days. So generally, I would only be able to leave my glasses out for a few days and they would work, but these will last 180 days. So I really like that. There's really no need to put up with pesky fruit flies anymore. Get yourself some of these fly traps, and that's my point of view.